Hi there, welcome YouTubers. Today, let's see what I'm up to on my 1933 Chevrolet Coupe. Today, I want to make a floorboard out of plate. First things first, let me get the sizes so I can transfer it to cardboard and go from there. 295, 295. I'm just going to do the vertical size. The thing is, I just want to get the height about. I know I'm going to be about this much short on this cardboard, but let me quickly get the height so I can get the pattern on top and transfer it to metal, to sheet metal, that is. Okay, where's my rule? This is just trimming it so it will fit in there, actually. Then we can get our pattern. I'll probably have to trim it for the bell housing as well. Handy thing, old piece of cardboard, because it is good for making templates. Okay, now that I've got it, let's transfer it into the vehicle. Okay, well, let me take this clamp out. Right, just take these two screws out. I'm just gonna cut them because I'm gonna buzz this plate in here. I didn't see the point in the plate having a removable, and I'm gonna be mounting my pedal box here, so that's that. Now I'm just gonna press it here, put something against it to press it, and draw the template of the firewall. Let's just get it roughly. It's not gonna be easy. It should be easier if I just make it from the outside. Not enough drama. That's what I say. It's just being a rough sketch. Where is it about? About there. And about there. Okay, that doesn't matter. Just a rough sketch, because it has to be larger than this. Okay, let me start trimming this a bit larger. Trim it just now down a bit. I'd rather measure once and cut twice. Measure twice and cut once as well. But we need to remember there's a lip as well. Roughly it should be like this. and I'll have to cut out for the steering column, and I'll have to notch that a small amount. Like I said, I'll have to notch it there. Roughly this is the idea. That bracket has to come out, and I have to trim it there a bit more. Okay, take this bracket out first. I'll just cut the bolt. Okay, now that I've got a rough template, I can proceed to get this to metal. I just want to add this part on tape. Okay, 90. Righty then. Yeah, maybe I have to trim the plate a bit more for you, but we'll get to that. Let me get my plate and let's carry on from there. It's a galvanized plate that I got. Let me just add this section. Righty-ho. Okay, that's for the steering. We'll make this a bit straighter. Okay, this also I'll be working a bit to it, getting it better. Alrighty then. Luckily this part is straight with this part. I can just buzz it across. That's it. Now see the left and right. There we go. That should be it. Also, I do think you just double check and remark everything perfect. Also double checking my lines. 5. I'd rather have a bit too much metal that I can trim off than have too little metal and cut again. You also double check this. There we go. I've got my bit extra that I can trim. Let me get my trusty grinder and start chopping. Okay, let me just move this. And put something underneath so I can cut it. I'll cut in the cement. Now I'm gonna have to notch for the steering column, and that should fit. All right, steering shaft. Just need to notch it up until here about. Then I can put my plate in and see how it is. Nog 'n bietjie. Alright then. Just a small tad on the side here, and this I have to buzz out, notch out. Okay, close. Just mark this out a bit here. So I'll have to pick this up. Right. It's not too shabby. Gives me space to actually weld it nicely. I'll just notch this a bit, clean it up and buzz it in. I'll probably tack it in. That's it. That's it. But then it should be perfect. Yeah, just this. Alright, then let me clean it up. Yeah, look. There we go. And there we go. Okay. Now I can just buzz it in place. Start at one spot in the center and work my ways out. Or I must weld from this corner here. So let me take the corners, and we take it from there. Now I can tag everything else in place. Just use my trusty hammer. Now that's what I like about steel too. After tacking it, you can still beat it a bit to straighten it, because the welds are a bit flexible. All right, that should be sufficiently strong enough. Now I can move to the center and to that edge. Okay. At least I can weld all the seams closed. Well, thank you everybody. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can bring you more content on my rusty piles of junk. Thank you very much everybody. Peace out. Okay.